Brain Explorers Go! Hey kids, let's practice how to read and spell sight words. A B O U T about. A L L all. A N an. A N D and. A R E R. A S as. A T at. B E B B E E N bean. B U T but. B Y by. C A L L E D called. C A N can. C O M E come. C O U L D could. D A Y day. D I D did. D O do. D O W N down. Well done, you did it. Subscribe to practice and watch more videos.